We have team coverage from New York, London, Wall Street, and the White House. Dr. Jen Ashton is here on call answering your questions. And we begin with Tom Yamas in Manhattan. A state of emergency has been declared here. Good morning, Tom.
George, good morning. There are more and more signs we are entering a new way of life. Here in New York, just behind me, the lights have gone out on Broadway. The theaters are closed. And all across America, tourist attractions are shutting down. Places where people go to get away are being told to stay away. Elected leaders say these measures are needed because in some cases, it's a matter of life and death. This morning, more and more of America closed for business. Overnight, Disney, ABC's parent company, announcing they are closing Walt Disney World in Orlando and Disneyland Paris through the end of the month, following the earlier announcement of Disneyland in California closing Saturday, all because of the coronavirus. In a statement, Disney saying, in an abundance of caution and in the best interest of our guests and employees, we are proceeding with the closure of our theme parks. Hotels will remain open until further notice. Disney Cruise Lines will suspend all new departures beginning Saturday through the end of the month. Princess and Viking Cruises suspending operations for 2 months. Universal Studios also closing their theme parks. And major airlines now scrambling under the new travel ban guidelines affecting parts of Europe. Landmarks like Broadway in New York, Carnegie Hall, the Metropolitan Museum of Art, all closing up shop to prevent the potential spread of the disease.
We're dealing with the absolutely not only unforeseen and something on a level we have never seen in our lives.
New York City declaring a state of emergency after a spike in the number of cases, now nearly 100. Just north in the suburb of New Rochelle, the site of an outbreak, the National Guard handing out meals to families in need. Across the country, the coronavirus has killed at least 40 Americans, most of the country affected. 46 states have confirmed cases. The government's leading expert on infectious diseases, Dr. Anthony Fauci, offering this blunt assessment.
The system is not really geared to what we need right now, what you are asking for. That is a failing.
And failing, yes.
It is a failing. I mean, let's admit it. The idea of anybody getting it easily, the way people in other countries are doing it, we're not set up for that.
On Capitol Hill, members of both parties frustrated with the country's slow testing ability.
The greatest nation in the history of the world, and we have failed to prepare or meet this challenge.
We all want to be told by Friday there'll be 10 million tests available. The problem is they can't tell us that.
California's governor saying his state is getting incomplete testing kits.
I think it's very much in line, these tests, with you're going to the store and purchasing a printer, but forgetting to purchase the ink.
Now, major cities like Houston, San Francisco, and Denver are closing, along with a wave of closures in states like Maryland, Ohio, New Mexico, and Washington State. The Gerarbig family from upstate New York self-isolating after their son was forced to fly home while studying abroad in Italy. The parents deciding Mom Patty would pick up their son from the airport, which means the two of them would have to quarantine, separating themselves from their other family members.
We're a very close family, the four of us, so it is difficult being separated.
And to give you another example of life in this pandemic, restaurants and bars here in New York are being asked to reduce capacity by 50% to help stop the spread of coronavirus. In nearby Jersey City, they have a 10 p.m. curfew tonight for any business with a liquor license. Cecilia?
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.